Today's our first proper day in Bali. We arrived here yesterday and we met up with our friend Laverne back from home. Me and Bianca are just on our way to get some street food. We just had our food and it was so good. It cost £1.
Right now we are on the second floor. Yeah, because the humidity here is quite high, so the temperature for the water is cold.
Just checking in our new place, and it's crazy. What do you think?
It is later. We provided in our room boy operator. I might need one.
Checking in our new place. We're staying in another nice apartment. Oh wow. So this view's breathtaking. Okay.
Sometimes a la carte lunch and a la carte dinner.
Bye.
Bye.
Can we keep the hats? Best hotel we've stayed in so far on all of our travels. But the scenery was absolutely crazy, and in the middle of the jungle pretty much in the hotel. So lucky to be here. Trust our luck, pissing it down now. I was meant to be getting loads of photos for this hotel. We're now trapped. Absolutely pissing it down. I've got all the cameras on me, but it's amazing. Indonesia is absolutely beautiful.
I love it.
Hello, room service.
Hello, come in.
Thank you. How are you today?
Very good.
Good. Hello. Hello.
Got some lunch. It's just arrived. It's good.
Thai red curry.
Yep.
Vegetarian rendang.
Lovely, thank you.
Good man.
How's your food?
Brilliant. Best Thai red curry I've ever had. And it's vegan. Much ashamed to admit that.
I'm on my way to the gym. Here she is. done much today. It's been pissing it down all day, but it's finally stopped, so we're going to go and check out our area. We're going to walk to the monkey forest.
No problem. You look camera. The teacher? You have.